folks, it's Stu with StuTech, and yes, this is a follow-up to yesterday's cybersecurity rant. I'm a little calmer, but I'm still kind of angry, and we'll get to that. This morning, I found out more about the scam. I wish I could say it had a better ending, but it didn't. In fact, it got worse. So here's what I know. It was a resident here in my community, Fountain of the Sun, our 55 plus community. They were scammed out of more than $20,000. Let me say that again. $20,000 cash. Gone. Poof. She was contacted by some low-life scumbag posing as a home repair contractor. I don't know all the details of that, of how he convinced her, but I do know this. It was a scam, and it breaks my heart to the point of absolute anger. Now, here's the part that really gets me. She went to the bank to get the money in cash. The people at her bank warned her, hey, this sounds like a scam. Are you sure? She didn't believe them. She thought this was completely legit. So then it gets better. She then took the cash and went to a gas station of all places, to send it through a Bitcoin ATM. Now, if this isn't getting fishier and fishier by the minute, I don't know what else is. But guess what? The people at the gas station, they're not technicians, they're not IT security people. They tried to stop her. They told her, ma'am, this is a scam. We don't see this kind of money going through this machine. But she didn't want to hear it. She was completely convinced that it was real. So she deposited the money into the machine and poof, gone. $20,000+, gone in a heartbeat. Now listen, this hurts. Our seniors, my neighbor, your neighbors, they work their whole lives so they can finally relax in retirement. Enjoy the peace of mind they've earned by having a few bucks put aside. But out there, in the shadows, these cheats, these thieves, never mind, they're waiting, and guess what? They do not care. They don't care about your retirement. They don't care about your health. They don't care about your dignity. And yes, I'm angry. I'm angry because I see this all the time, and we need to stop it. We all need to become human firewalls. Now, I can't really do anything to get this person their money back, but here's what I can do, okay? I'm an IT professional, have been for 38 years. I'm gonna keep educating people just like you. I'm gonna keep ranting on videos just like this. And I'm going to host an Enhanced Cybersecurity Seminar. That's right, I don't know exactly when, but it's coming. It's gonna be right here in our community with some of my trusted vendor partners, my security vendor partners, and hopefully even a representative from the Mesa Police Department and possibly the FBI. Because folks, enough is enough. I'm tired of hearing about this, and I want to keep everyone safe, and I want people to learn. Now, if you won't listen to me, maybe you'll listen to the guys at the gas station. They obviously know more than we thought they did. So do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for updates to the seminar. Please, please, please stay alert and stay safe. And if something smells fishy, call me before you do anything. So thanks for watching. I'm Stu with StuTech. Please share this, talk to your neighbors, and let's look out for each other. Have a great day.